And now, bringing the vibrant sounds of Latin pop to Disney Festival of Holidays, please welcome Tina and the Sounds of Celebration.
Welcome to Disney Festival of Holidays, everyone! Who's ready to celebrate? If you're ready to celebrate, say, oh! Yeah! Woo! I'm liking this audience today. Let's party it! Everybody gather round. Let your body feel the heat. Welcome to Disney Festival of Holidays. My name is Tina and this is the Sounds of Celebration Band. We come from all over Latin America. Venezuela, Cuba, Mexico, Colombia, and we are all gathered by music. So tonight, we're going to take you on this musical journey with all the sounds that we'd love to hear. Are y'all ready to party out there? To quote one of my favorite Cuban artists, Celia Cruz, La vida es un carnaval, y las penas se dan cantando, which means life is a party, and we sing our sorrows away. Make some noise! Azúcar, azúcar, y yo camino de lado. Siguiendo y ella derecho, dejo el camino de frente para no caer en tropiezo. Y el camino de used to sing and dance around the Christmas tree until I needed another plate of tamales and enchiladas. You know what I'm talking about? Who's having enchiladas this year? You got it, you got it. All right, and this is one of my favorite songs that we used to sing and dance to when I was a little girl. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Can I sing it for you? I need your help on this, okay? We're gonna count down from cuatro down to uno. So after cuatro is, after tres is, and after uno. Just kidding. You ready? Here we go. Cuatro, tres, dos, uno. Machine out there. Cause it's anything for Serena. That's right. So if you know how to do the washing machine, I'm gonna have the band show you how it's done. Band, can you show them how it's done? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Washing machine. The best. But it's your turn, Disney California Adventure. Show me what you got, all right? It's all in the hips. That's right, you can follow her right there. She knows what she's doing. Are you ready? Show me what you got. On the count 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Right, band? Make some noise if you're the best audience we've had all day. We're gonna count down one more time then, all right? All together now, best audience. From cuatro down, you know how it goes. Are you ready? All right, here we go. And cuatro! Let me hear ya! ese error, ese error es cosa de ayer. So if you're having a good time and you're ready for Christmas, I want you all to help me out on this one because I'm going to unite everyone all together. We're going to do a clave beat together. You know what that is? Let me show you. It's a real popular Latin sound. So everyone say hello to Diego here from Mexico. Play that clave sound. Clap, 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 clap. Come on. Clap, 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 clap. All the way in the back too. I can see it. Yeah! Keep that up, alright? Probablemente ya tendrías olvidado y sin embargo yo te seguiré esperando. No he querido ir para ver si algún día tú ven al volver te encuentras todavía. Por eso ahora estoy en el lugar de siempre. En la misma ciudad y con la misma gente para que tú al volver te encuentres nada extraño y sea como ayer y nunca más dejarnos. Probablemente estoy pidiendo demasiado, se me olvidó pagar, teníamos terminar y nunca volverás. Que no lo digas si se me olvidó. These are my friends, everybody. Probablemente ya tendrías olvidado y sin embargo yo te seguiré esperando. No te he querido ir para ver si algún día sea como ayer y nunca todavía. Probablemente estoy pidiendo demasiado, se me olvidó pagar, ya habíamos terminado, que nunca volverás, que nunca me quise saber, se me olvidó otra vez, que solo yo. Clap, 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 clap. Se me olvidó otra vez, que solo yo te quise, se me olvidó otra vez. Se me olvidó otra vez, que solo yo te quise, se me olvidó otra vez. Que nunca volverás, que nunca me quise ser, se me olvidó pagar, que habíamos terminado, que nunca volverás, que nunca me quise ser, se me olvidó otra vez, que solo yo te quise. Give yourselves a big round of applause. That's right. Muchas gracias. Thank you all. Did y'all have a good time out there? And I want to wish everyone a very Merry holiday season. Remember, no matter where you're from, no matter how you celebrate, we want to wish you and your familia a very Merry holiday season. Make some noise for Christmas. Can I sing to you my favorite Christmas song? I promise you're gonna know it. And when you hear it and you know it, you sing along. That's the rule, okay? Yeah, that's right. It's gonna be on the radio after Thanksgiving. Like, maybe every 5 minutes you're gonna get annoyed at it. But we're gonna be the first ones to play it here. Here we go. Alberto, help me out. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care Disney, California adventure. And you know when you sing along, right? I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need a hymn stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. You, baby. Let me go down here. I'll make some noise for my mini me right here. Hey, all the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better. This Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, and I'm carrying on in this Christmas, we'll be very special Christmas for me. Put your hands together. This will be, come on. And make some noise for the one and only Mark on the trumpet. Merry Christmas, everybody!
Please give a warm round of applause for Tina and the Sounds of Celebration. We're proud to share these talented musical artists with you at Disney Festival of Holidays. Thank you for joining us. Happy holidays.